Hey everybody, Ken the Solar Guy here. Haven't been around for a while. Of course, I've been here, but you haven't. I just wanted to do an update here real quick. It looks like we hit our $8,000 revenue mark. So far we've let's see, we put 20,000 into the system. We got a what is it, a $7,600 rebate, leaving us with 12,400 as the amount left to recover. And of that $12,400, we're at 8,000. So my estimates originally were right around the summer to fall of 2021 was our payback date, and it looks like we are exactly on that mark. It looks like we're coming, like I say, we're at 8,000 now, so we've only got 4,400 to go, and that's sure looking like it's going to wind up being right around this time in the fall of 2021, being 100% paid back on a system that would still have yet, 19 years left in its warranty. System's working great, absolutely no problems. Had almost no electric bills whatsoever, just the metering fee, the meter fee of $13.39 a month. Of course, in the wintertime, like I've always said, you don't produce as much, so we wind up having to buy some electricity. But all winter long, I might spend $200 total. So, and then the rest of the year, nothing. So it's been very worthwhile having this. But I thought I'd update you. We got to the $8,000 mark. Uh, for such as it is, it's a milestone for me anyway. So it looks like we're on track. Like I said, fall between the summer and the fall of 2021, be 100% paid back. So I guess once you get past the original nut of having to pay for 5 or 6 years of electric bills in advance, then the rest of it's just a cakewalk. After that, it's all money in your pocket. So, I mean, if the thing even only lasts half the time it's supposed to last, 5, 6 years of payback, another 5 or 6 years of good, trouble-free use, and I'll have doubled my money in 5 or 6 years. Name an investment that can do that. Not a whole lot. So, like I say, that's all I got for now. I just wanted to update you. That's where we're at. And talk to you later. Bye.